my name is Ping. This is MyPingsWorld. Let's get cooking. Today, we're going to turn instant noodles into a delicious, healthy instant noodle meatball soup. In Chinese, noodle soup with meatballs is Rou Wan Tang Mian. Rou Wan is meatballs, Tang is soup, Mian is noodles. Here are the ingredients. We have half a pound of ground pork, 3 slices of red onions chopped fine, and 1 slice of ginger finely chopped, 1 pack of instant noodles, 1 egg. We'll use sesame oil, Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 stalk of green onions chopped fine, and another slice of ginger, and 1 clove of garlic, 1 small head of bok choy, and salt and soy sauce and chicken powder. I'm mixing into the ground pork 1 egg, finely chopped ginger, red onions, and half a stalk of green onions. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. So now this is mixed. This is what it looks like. OMG, my camera was upside down. I'm so embarrassed. I'm going to put a little oil here and then put the scallion. And I have pre-boiled water here. I'm going to shut this off. It's boiling. I put this 3 cups of hot water in here as the broth. So now I'm going to put the meatballs in. If you like it firmer, you can put a little bit cornstarch in here, but I like it this way because it's more tender. Now the meatballs are cooking. I'm going to cover it, turn it down to medium heat. I'm adding some olive oil, and then I'll add the garlic and ginger into the. Now it's brown. I'm going to put the bok choy in. A little bit salt. Now the veggie is ready. So earlier I prepared the noodles, boiled the noodles, put it here to get ready. So this veggie I'll put it in too. This is ready. If you have chicken broth, you don't need to put chicken powder, but because we just use the plain water, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon chicken powder here. We'll shut this off. It's ready. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in the bowl. I like to add a little bit salt. Give that one. Here's the instant noodle with meatball soup. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe. Thank you. 谢谢. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please go to the description section down below and click on links to my other videos. 再见. Bye.